Hi! In this video, we will be learning about the MariaDB Connector in Astera Data Stack. MariaDB is a database management system used for storing data in a structured format and making it accessible for use through different tools and applications. Astera offers native connectivity to MariaDB databases at both source and destination points. To configure a connection with MariaDB databases, we will be using the database table source object. First, we will select the database table source object under Sources in the toolbox. Next, we will drag and drop the object onto the Dataflow Designer. To configure the database table source object, right-click on its header and select Properties from the context menu. As soon as you have selected the Properties option from the context menu, a new window will open. This is where you will configure the connection with the database. The first step is to specify the data provider for the source object. We will select MariaDB as our data provider from the list. Once we have entered the required credentials for our MariaDB data provider account, we will test the connection to check that our database connection is successful, and then click Next. Once the connection is established, we can pick a source table and modify any reading options in the Properties window. We have now successfully configured MariaDB as the database provider for our database table source object. The fields from the source object can now be mapped to other objects in a data flow. Let's use the data from the MariaDB database table in a data flow. In this example, we have sourced customers' data from the database. We need to filter out customers' data with the contact title, Sales Representative. We will use the filter transformation to filter out customers' records where the associated contact title is Sales Representative. To do this, we will drag and drop the filter transformation object onto the Dataflow Designer and map our fields. Next, we will open the Properties window and add an expression for customers where the associated contact title is Sales Representative. Next, we will click OK. If we preview the output, we can see that customers with the contact title Sales Representative have been filtered. Now we can write this data to a destination in Astera. In this case, we have written the data to an Excel workbook destination. This concludes our discussion on the MariaDB connector in Astera. For more information on Astera Data Stack, please visit our documentation site. Thank you for watching.